spend in the back of my truck. Merry Christmas, you filthy animals! Let's frickin' go! Ooh. Baby. It was raining out earlier. I was like so bummed out. It really wouldn't be 2020 without rainy Christmas, would it? We're blessed with a blizzard, baby. This is like the first snowfall in Minnesota. And okay. Anybody coming? Over here. We're good. Oh, I love that. Oh. Alright, I better not be so cocky with my driving here. We got ice. Alright, so normally in blizzards like this, there's always a little bit of rigmarole with car pileups and stuff. Must be some black ice right there. You need help?
Yeah, I just can't see out of my car.
Oh, you can't. Do you need help? Oh, you can't see?
Thank you.
Okay.